So what are we going to get into today? Well, this one will be pretty interesting. Today, we are going to make carrot cake moonshine. That just sounded fantastic idea to me. I thought it sounded good. It takes, once we put everything together, it takes, I think, 1 to 3 weeks for it to all to infuse. Okay, so that's what we're going to make today. All right, but first things first. Welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. All right, what's today? Hey, today is Moonshine Wednesday, right? So this is what we're going to make. The ingredients is pretty simple. It's carrots, sugar, fresh ginger, some chopped raisins, a couple cloves, a couple cinnamon sticks, and a couple allspice berries. And of course, and I'm going to throw a little bit of vanilla into it. And of course, some 100 proof shine. All right, so what I got to do first is I got to peel these carrots and grate them. So I'm going to just do that with a little bit of movie magic and we'll get that done, okay? So I'll be right back. Okay, so I got all my ingredients ready. Let me grab a funnel. So I got all my ingredients all prepared. It wasn't no big deal. I got grated carrots. Okay, so the first thing what we want to do is we want to combine all the ingredients, and I'm going to use this half-gallon mason jar. So I need 4 cups of carrots. So let me put 4 cups in there. I do like carrots. Alright, needs more. I think more the merrier. Alright, so 4 cups of carrots. Damn, I need a little bit more. Alright, there's 4 cups of carrots. Alright. Okay, so the next ingredients we got, let me get these out before I knock it off the plate that I've chased around for. We need 2 allspice berries, 1, 2. We need 2 cloves, 1, 2. And we need 2 cinnamon sticks, 1, 2. All right. So the next thing we're going to need in there is 1 cup of sugar, just plain table sugar. 1 cup of sugar. Let me see if I can do this without spilling it. All right, 1 cup of sugar. Okay. All right, the next thing we need is 2 tablespoons of fresh grated ginger. I hope I got enough room for the alcohol. Okay, woo! Then we need, how much is that? 4 tablespoons of chopped raisins. All right, we are getting it done. The recipe don't call for it, but I'm going to put in there a nice little squirt of vanilla, because I think that will add a lot of the carrot taste. I think vanilla, you get carrot taste out of that. All right, so we're almost done for the thing. So now what we need is 4 cups or a quart of shine. This is just corn shine, 100 proof. So let's add that in there. Hopefully it'll fit. All right, there's the shine. All right. Now, what I want to do is I just want to add a splash of water. Okay. So easy, so easy. And then all we got to do put a lid on that. And for a couple days, it's turning into liquid orange already. Ain't that cool? So what we want to do is let that, we just want to let that infuse for, the direction says 1 to 3 weeks. So we'll be somewhere in that neighborhood, 1 to 3 weeks. Carrot cake moonshine. Just shake it every once in a while. All the sugars will get dissolved. All right. Okay, so we'll see you in 1 to 3 weeks. All right. Okay. Okay, it's time to finish up our carrot cake moonshine. So all we got to do now, it's been, I think, 3 weeks. All right, 3 weeks. And what we got to do is strain out all the carrots and all the other ingredients and kind of filter it out. How are we going to do that? Well, I got a screen and I got some cheesecloth. So all we got to do so we just want to strain the liquid out. Look how orange that is. Ain't that cool? Come in a knot. There we go. All right, so all we want to do is we want to strain that out. I'm gonna let it sit there and go for a minute. It's still running. All right. Let's let that strain a little bit. I'm gonna just leave it sit there, and then what we'll do is we'll come back and we'll use the cheesecloth to get that. Let me get some jars ready. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so what we'll do is we're just gonna try to, it's still running out pretty good. We want all that goodness out of them carrots. Now, I've read where you can do this and then put it through a coffee filter if you want. I'll be honest with you, I don't mind the very little particles in it. I think it just adds to taste and character of the shine. So all I'm gonna do is this. I did taste the carrot, and there ain't much flavor left in it. All right. Like I said, yeah, we could put that through a coffee filter, but I would imagine it'd probably take a while. All right. I need a funnel. I need a funnel. You know why I need a funnel? I need a funnel because I make a mess. Can you imagine that? All right, so all we got left to do is two things. Fill these jars All right. And like I always say, now the best part, tasting it. I mean, visually, it looks like liquid carrot. I mean, it's nice and orange. It smells like carrots. I bet Bugs Bunny would like this, wouldn't he? It smells delicious. Smells like a carrot cake. All right, so let's give it a try. Ooh. It tastes just like a carrot cake. It's very smooth, very, I'm gonna say creamy, but not sickening sweet. It's got a little bit of a sweetness to it, but not over sweet. I sure can taste the carrots, and this don't sound crazy because it didn't have that much raisin in it, but there's like a character of the raisin and the cinnamon because it just had a little bit of each. Oh, wow. Oh, this is good. Damn. I love it when a plan comes together. Okay. That's a success. Carrot cake moonshine. All right. That is delicious. I love that. That is really fantastic. Would I make this again? 100% yes. I mean, it does have a little bit of alcohol burn to it, just a little. I bet it would be really good on ice. I guess you could make cocktails out of it. I don't know. I don't know what you would make, but just, I think it's a good sipper. Alrighty. Well, that's our carrot cake moonshine. I guess there's two things I got left to say. Well, thanks for stopping by Moonshine Wednesdays. And I guess the very last thing I do have to say is, hey, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time here on Stillworks and Brewing. Hey, just a public announcement. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, please. It really helps us out. All right, cheers, everybody.